far as getting a stage 3?
And a clutch.
Stage 3 and a clutch.
Oh boy.
Why the f need so many bolts?
Because that's just why they, I don't know. They just did. 36 of them or 35.
I'm an idiot. I didn't even realize the transmission was in the back of these. O2 sensor giving you some problems?
Yeah, well, I mean, it's got 90,000 miles on it.
Yeah. Where's this car from? There's not really much rust or anything under here.
Look at the plate.
PA. It's local.
This is from like Harrisburg, and it's not so local.
Local enough. Local enough that he still probably drove it here. Are you planning on doing upgraded clutch in your Camaro?
Yeah, I'm gonna make more power.
Would you do like the same thing we put in these, like the Monster Triple?
Probably. Usually drive like stuff.
That's awesome.
And it's the last clutch you need to put in it. I mean, it holds like 1,200 wheels, so.
Oh,
It's triple.
I don't know too much about clutches. So. What is the advantage of a triple disc clutch over like a single disc?
Holds more power.
Okay. Yeah, that's just for the most part. What is that?
This is a tool to get the throwout bearing out. Sorry, that's the pilot bearing, that's the throwout bearing. That was stupid.
Wait, what?
That's pilot bearing, this throwout bearing.
Oh, okay.
The GMs come with plastic ones. And upgrade, put a metal one in. It's a known failure point in these. First try every time, and the count is already anyway.
Like a stock thing? Or...
Well, the plastic part is, but they wrote a metal piece on it.
Oh.
Got these extra ducts on the back of the thing. I've never seen that before.
Huh.
And it's not nearly aimed at what it's supposed to be.
I've seen you do this multiple times now, but I've never asked why. Why do you oil up the cam?
This is all the stuff we put on. It's brand new metal to metal contact.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Use that. This, plenty of other things. I don't want to. When we do like LS3s, we put a new oil pump on it. We put some of that in the oil pump just because the gear's in there.
Gotcha.
Because there's that split second before the oil gets in there. So you don't want it to lock up. And you brand new metal to metal contact. Was like a throwback pic as a kid?
Yeah, mullet pick and all.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
Look at that picture there. Little Canadian tuxedo. that was my second Holy Communion.
God, if they can make these bolts like an 1/8 longer, that'd be just fantastic. It really would be.
It's nice to see a car every once in a while. At least they drive the out of it. You get to go home knowing that you built this car for a guy that he's going to absolutely love and enjoy it and drive the out of it. And then there's other people you're going to spend all this time building this car, and it's just going to see a car show every once in a while, and that's it.
Don't get Matt worked up about that. You mentioned car show, his head's going to pop off.
So you're getting this thing all buttoned up. Heads are on, valve springs, push rods. Looks like you got the headers bolted up already. This thing is just about all back together.
This thing got a full stage 3 head scan package, 2-inch American Racing headers, Haltech 108, and it got a clutch too, so a monster triple. This thing baseline's like super low, like I think like 430. So if it breaks 600, I'll be impressed, because you gotta think that's 170 horsepower. So what I figured. I didn't think this thing would break 600. Tune was actually pretty spot on too. Maybe a little lean. I'm gonna add maybe, I don't know, 2% fuel. I'll add 3 actually, just because. The timing was pretty much spot on. But still, picks up 160 right there. I got 20 degrees in it. I'll try putting another ½ degree in it, but picked up 160 though. Like, that's good. Yeah, I mean, generally they pick up 140 to 150. That's a super low baseline though. But whatever, all cars are different. How many miles are on this thing? 91,000 miles on this.
Yeah, that's right. This is the car on the
I was gonna say, I had no idea how many miles are on this thing. I didn't know there was one in here. I mean, this is high mileage for us, but I didn't know there was one with high miles. Same exact thing. Made 590.35 the first time, and it's just made 590.32 and 511.10 and 511.23 torque. It's pretty consistent. Yeah, I actually might pull it like 1% out, fuel up high, and then I'm gonna add a half a degree of timing. But other than that, this thing's spot on. All right, last pull, and then I'll let it cool down. The exact same thing, 590 again, and 1 foot-pound less, 510 torque. I'll let this thing cool. Let it cool for not very long, maybe 20 minutes or something. I mean, it made 3 identical horsepower runs in a row. I can't imagine it's gonna pick up much, maybe 3. Picked up 4. Same torque though. I'll make one more. Back to normal there. All right, 594, 511. Pretty stock considering this thing made 429 on the baseline. So it picked up 165, which is bad for stage 3. On to the next.